Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aulia Fatimah Tuzara. Today I will present the result of my thesis proposal with the title The Effectiveness of Storytelling Technique on EFL Learners Vocabulary Mastery and Learning Motivation at SMP Negeri 8 Padang. Okay, the first is background of study. Vocabulary is the foundation of all English skills like listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And many EFL students struggle due to traditional and monotonous vocabulary teaching. Storytelling provides context, emotion, and imagination, making vocabulary easier to understand and remember. And then storytelling also increases student engagement and learning motivation. And also digital storytelling like videos, animations, and multimedia. So this is creates interactive and enjoyable learning. Okay, the next is research question. I have two research questions. The first is what is the effect of the storytelling technique on the vocabulary mastery of EFL student at SMP Negeri 8 Padang? And the second is does the storytelling technique have a positive effect on the learning motivation of EFL student in English language learning at SMP Negeri 8 Padang? Okay, the next is theoretical framework storytelling technique. Provides meaningful context for learning new vocabulary and then encourages creatively imagination, emotional engagement. There are four types. The first is oral storytelling, written storytelling, digital storytelling like videos, animations, and multimedia. And the last is improved fluency, pronunciation, vocabulary retention. Okay, the next is theoretical framework, vocabulary mastery. So this includes meaning recognition, word usage, and visual recognition. Influenced by exposure, context, learning strategies, motivation, and teacher creatively. And also essential for reading, speaking, and writing development. Okay, the next is theoretical framework, learning motivation. Based on Gardner's models, desire, effort, and enjoyment in learning, storytelling increases motivation by reducing anxiety, making learning enjoyable, increasing participation, and also creating interactive experiences. Okay, so this is my conceptual framework. There is a storytelling technique and have meaningful context, repetition, and engagement. And vocabulary mastery, there are word recognition, word meaning, and word use in context. And then I have a learning motivation, there are intrinsic motivation, interest in learning, and classroom management. Okay, so this is my research design. I use quantitative approach and quasi-experimental design. And I use a pre-test, post-test, non-equivalent control group. And then I have a experimental class that use storytelling and control class use conventional method. Okay, so this is population and sample. Population grade 7 students at SMP Negeri 8 Padang and samples to classes selected by purposive sampling. And there are experimental class with storytelling and control class with traditional learning, with a total of 56 until 64 students. Okay, so this is instrumentation. The first is vocabulary test. There are word meaning recognition, word usage, picture word matching using the story The Lost Kitten. And the second is observation sheet. There are behavior in vocabulary learning, participation during storytelling, and motivation indicators. And the last is a motivation questionnaire. I use a 10 Likert scale item, measures interest, enjoyment, participation, and confidence. Okay, so this is a technique of data collection. Pretest, measure initial vocabulary mastery, and then treatment, storytelling implementation for several meetings, and post-test, measure improvement, and then next is observation, participation and motivation, and the last is questionnaire with motivation level after treatment. Okay, so the last is conclusion. So, storytelling has strong potential to improve and vocabulary mastery through contextual and meaningful learning, learning motivation through enjoyable and interactive storytelling activities, and quantitative and qualitative results together support the effectiveness of storytelling in EFL classroom. I think that's all for my explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.